Wind power is an ideal and convenient go-to for energy, but there are pros and cons of wind energy for homeowners. Many feel the cons outweigh the pros, but wind power has more benefits than you think. In this video, we'll show you why. First, the cons. 1. Backup energy. For individuals or businesses who live in areas with sporadic winds, a form of backup energy may be necessary. Wind relies on temperature and air pressure for creation. Because the wind isn't always present to create and/or store enough electricity for use, some individuals will have to rely on electricity from non-renewable sources for power. 2. Initial expense. Many potential windmill users also shrink away due to the initial cost. Prices vary from $10,000 to $100,000. But the average cost of a wind turbine to power a residential home was $30,000 in 2014. Although that price is quickly decreasing, it's a hefty sum to provide up front. 3. City restrictions. Zoning restrictions can also be troublesome for home or business owners hoping to invest in wind energy. Many city ordinances do not allow wind turbines in certain areas. 4. Space and aesthetics. Some people love how wind turbines look, others hate it. Although many things can be done to improve aesthetics, those considering wind turbines must understand the volume of space these structures require. The amount of land needed depends on how much electricity is required for your household or business. Now let's take a look at some of the pros. 1. Clean power. The power received from wind turbines is clean. It doesn't pollute the environment. Fossil fuels, on the other hand, rely on combustion to be usable. As a result, they pollute the air, contributing to steadily decreasing air quality, global warming, and other hazards. 2. Renewable. Wind energy is also renewable. It won't disappear anytime soon, and it doesn't require we deplete what few remaining sources we have. In contrast, fossil fuels are disappearing at an alarming rate. 3. Money saving. While it's an excellent choice to support and protect the environment, it's difficult to do with strict budgets. Yet wind power is becoming increasingly cheaper. In fact, if individuals take advantage of long-term contracts with companies utilizing wind energy, they pay half or less the cost of working with electricity from a natural gas power plant. 4. Credits. What happens if your turbine produces more electricity than you use? The answer is one of the best parts of wind energy. You get credits for it. Most states allow homeowners producing excess electricity to have credits added to their electricity bills. That means you're paid for it. This offer, referred to as net metering, usually extends to commercial and industrial owners as well. 5. Maintenance. Wind turbines require little maintenance, and their parts last for long periods. In fact, an average lifespan of a small domestic turbine is 20 years. 6. Job and economic growth. In addition to helping the environment and minimizing your electric bill, investing in wind turbines also helps the economy. Over 100,000 jobs were created in 2016 alone because of this industry, and it's growing at increased rates. 7. Innovations in efficiency. If you're worried wind won't produce the energy you need at the rate you need it, don't be. Recent advancements are making turbines more efficient than ever, and residents and business owners alike can take advantage of the new technology. In a few words, wind power is becoming more efficient and less expensive. Although there are clear pros and cons of wind energy, the advantages heavily outweigh the disadvantages. This clean source of energy is creating jobs, reducing bills, and getting more efficient by the year. Are you ready to get blown away? Visit our site today for more info. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.